for this install, I'm using Janet Collection Nala Tress Mystic Braids in color OET 1B30, and the length is 24 inches. They sent me 8 packs. In each pack there is 10 single braids, and for this install I used every drip drop of that 8 pack. Okay, nothing left over. So the crochet hole opens up pretty big, so it's easy to slip the hair through when installing. Let me tell y'all something. They did not call this hair Mystic Braids for nothing. It's mixed with different patterns, from braids to locks to curly ends. It's cute though, it's a vibe. So yeah, if you like what you see, the detail and link will be in the description box.